someone in your family needs adult diapers and incontinence supplies, it can be very expensive and it's going to last forever, right? So does Medicare pay for it? Original Medicare? Government Medicare? No, it does not pay for it. But some private Medicare Advantage plans do. I would say most private Medicare Advantage plans do, but it's going to be based on the plans that are available in your area. If you want us to research it at the Medicare Family, give us a call, go to our website, book your own appointment, and we will research it and see what over-the-counter benefits are available this year in your zip code. But if you only have a Medicare supplement plan, an original government Medicare does not cover it. And the reason it doesn't is because Medicare covers durable medical equipment, things that can be reused, such as wheelchairs, canes, walkers, hospital beds, CPAP machines, things that can be reused. So you can't reuse the diapers. So, and they can be very expensive, and that might be one factor that you look at Medicare Advantage versus private Medicare supplement plans. Again, Medicare Advantage plans are going to be based on your zip code and your year. And if you just Google over-the-counter benefits, this was just a quick sample, you'll see a bunch of different over-the-counter benefit cards. Many plans do offer them. If you learned something today, hit subscribe. I have great information every week coming to get you ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.